Sridivya. And for the topic that India must have different festivals so that we can have a bright and wonderful days in the year. We can celebrate the days with beautiful enjoyment in like regularly, like some week or a month, like that. We can celebrate it.
But I think we should have a common festival. In India, we have the statement that
No problem.
unity in diversity, which shows that we have different religions and cultures in India. Further, with the different cultures, we should celebrate only one common festival to show our uniqueness and to collectiveness.
If it is a one common festival, we'll have it once in a year, that's all. Then rest of the year will be boring, I hope. We can have it the same common festival. If you say it's the same common festival, we can celebrate it in like some particular festivals, like for a month or a week. We can celebrate it together.
Are we celebrating festivals for not getting bored?
For entertainment.
For entertainment purpose? Are we celebrating festivals for entertainment purpose?
Yes, of course, we are celebrating for entertainment. We have blast, and we'll be enjoying on that day, definitely.
But I think we get some meaning, but we have some meaning in the festival. Every religion said the same thing: love the others and serve the others. Further, we celebrate only one festival. Why should we need so many festivals to say?
We can help others and we can help others, so whatever we can do it in all the festivals we do. We can get close to more we
But the meaning is same. Why should we celebrate different festivals for that?
Why can't we celebrate? We must celebrate so that we can come in contact with others very frequently.
But in the name of religions, we are quarreling among
Why must be a religion only? Why can't we celebrate different festivals without religious purpose?
What are the festivals?
Many. We have Independence Day, which we have done it yesterday.
We are celebrating collectively only.
Yeah, but I'm speaking about religions, also we can celebrate it together. We can have it every month or like that.
Everyone can accept that.
Of course, we'll accept it.
That's what we are proposing it to be accepted.
We want it to be accepted.
But all the persons can have the same mindset to accept that.
Yes.
I don't know.
But then no one can agree for a common festival also like that.
If you say like that, we cannot celebrate Independence Day, Republic Day.
That's what we'll celebrate it. Everything we can celebrate. No, we can celebrate all the festivals together, including Independence Day, than having a common festival.
I don't know if anyone can accept that. No one can accept.
Why can't they accept? When a person is celebrating some particular festival, like you speak religious festivals, so we celebrate Sankranti or something, we'll ask other religions also to join us. We'll enjoy with them. Why should we separate them? As we say, India is one. So we have to come together and celebrate.
They came to our houses to enjoy with us, but they didn't get the right thing what a festival is meant to.
We'll make them learn it. So I would conclude that we must have many festivals so that we can get together very frequently and we can have a nice time.
Yeah, wonderful. Come on, a badge for Sridivya. Immediately, now only, I forget. A badge for Sridivya, right? Because I love to